Welcome to A Math Tutorials with Littlemusicbear. Solve log 7x plus 2 plus log 7x plus 4 equals to log 7 2x plus 5. Okay, so question 4. This is a very common logarithm question that always appears in examinations, and it is worth 4 marks. So, for this, you can see that all the logarithms have the same base. In this case, it is base 7. So, we can use the law of logarithms to remove them. And always remember, when you add logarithms, you multiply. When you subtract logarithms, you divide. This is the same as indices. So, we'll combine it and multiply it. X plus 2, x plus 4. And on the other side, we'll copy down the same thing first. Okay, now we've got this, we can effectively remove the logs on both sides. So it'll be x plus 2, x plus 4 equals to 2x plus 5. Now, in this form, it is not equivalent to 0, so you can't get the answer straight away. So you have to expand out this and transfer this over to get a quadratic equation, then you solve. So you get this. Now you move the 2x plus 5 over. So you get this. When you come here, there are 3 methods for you to solve: completing the square, quadratic formula, and factorization. But completing the square is not recommended in this case, so you can just factorize or use quadratic formula or press mode 3 on the calculator. But in this case, since I am doing it fast, I will use the calculator. So you get x equals to -1 and -3. So x equals to -1 or -3. Now, you have to reject an answer if the logarithm turns out negative, because logarithms can never be negative. So, -1. We're going to sub back and see if any of this is negative. We have to reject the answer. So, -1 plus 2 is larger than 0. -1 plus 4 also larger than 0. And -2 plus 5 also larger than 0. So, x equals -1 is accepted as the answer. But for -3, -3 plus 2 is equals to -1, which cannot be accepted because it is negative. Even though -3 plus 4, it is positive, as long as you have one negative, you have to reject the answer. So this answer is rejected, and x equals to -1. Done. So in the coming days, I'll post 1 or 2 final tutorials on binomial expansion and another selected topic, which I think would have a higher likelihood of coming out. And that's all. And thank you for watching A Max tutorial with Littlemusicbear. See you in the next episode. Bye!